Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account using your phone. So go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the icon on the lower right, and then just tap on the settings icon on the upper right. And here, when you scroll down a bit, tap on access and control and go to deactivation and deletion. And here you would have the option to either deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. Just take note that when you deactivate your account, it says here your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, but you'll be able to continue using Messenger. But if you delete your account permanently, then you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook, but your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So if you're already settled and if you want that to happen, then just tap on continue to account deletion. And this is just a little confirmatory note. If you're settled, then just tap continue and that would permanently delete your account. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped and we will see you in the next video.